Hello everyone, it is indeed inspiring to see you back again. In this video, I will tell you that how can you install Power BI desktop application from Microsoft Store. So let us start exploring and understanding the same. First of all, I'll open by pressing the Windows button, I'll open Microsoft Store. So you can see this is the icon for Microsoft Store. I will click on it and then I will be searching for Microsoft Power BI. So here I can simply write Power BI and search for it. You can see that here I have one option as Power BI. I have one more option as Power BI Desktop. I will click on Power BI Desktop and then I will be clicking on Install. Once I click on install, it will start to install it, and in very few seconds, or you can say a couple of minutes at max, depending upon your internet speed, it will download and install Power BI Desktop. So Power BI, it will help us to visualize the data into multiple graphical formats. You can see in this particular screenshot window that how Power BI is able to draw some ribbon charts or draw some area plots and different scatter plots with different sizes and tables. So let us wait for some time and let it get installed. If you are not able to install it from here or finding any difficulty, at that particular time, what you can do is you can open up a window of Microsoft Edge and or basically you can open up Google Chrome, whatever you want to open. And here you can type Power BI desktop download. So from here also, you can try to find out the executable file and then you can download it. So here, download Microsoft Power BI desktop from official. This is the official link, I suppose. Yes, so this is from Microsoft.com. So it is official only. And Microsoft Power BI desktop, select a language. It needs to be English only and click here and download. So this is another option that how you can download Power BI desktop. So two options I have told you. It is taking some time, so we will have to wait till the time it gets installed. You can see that it is 490 plus MB out of 619. So only a few more seconds it should take. By that time, we can explore the description of this Power BI software. So you can see that it is written that Power BI desktop puts visual analytics at your fingertips. With this powerful authoring tool, you can create interactive data visualizations and reports, which means that Power BI helps all of us to very easily integrate it with data and work with data to create interactive reports. Now you can see that it is installed and the button has changed to open. I'll click on open and wait for Power BI window to get opened up. Similar to Power BI, we have other data visualization and business reporting tools. Like we have Tableau, Click, and they are also a competitor with Power BI desktop as well. Power BI desktop you can use as a free service, and then Power BI has got a lot of other services also for which you will have to take licenses. So congratulations, you can see that Power BI desktop is installed and you can start working with it. So I wish you the best for start working with Power BI desktop. Thank you.